Ever seen this and wondered, why is one millipede on top of the other? This behavior is usually part of mating or territorial interaction, depending on the species. During mating, the male positions himself on top of the female to transfer sperm. Millipedes have specialized legs near their front segments, called gonopods, for this process. It may look like they're just crawling, but this is a delicate coordination. The male is securing his position while ensuring the female is comfortable. Sometimes it's not about mating at all. It could be a territorial display. One millipede may crawl over another to assert dominance or avoid confrontation. This simple act tells us so much about their social and reproductive habits. Millipedes may not be the most cuddly creatures, but their interactions are a fascinating glimpse into nature's complexity.